God put a smile upon my face.
On the dry plains of outback Queensland, you'll find an unlikely space explorer.
My camera goes on here.
Carefully tinkering with his telescope that he built himself using wood, aluminium, whatever he could find.
It's aligned with the poles of the Earth. So if I get the motor speed exactly right, it'll perfectly compensate for the Earth's rotation.
Yes, it's complicated.
'Cause you're a sky full of stars.
The 18-year-old grew up on a property in Cecil Plains, almost 3 hours' drive west of Brisbane. As a young boy, he made model planes and ships.
Skewers, bamboo skewers.
And you've tied all these knots?
Yeah.
That would have taken
fair
a while.
Yeah, it did.
As a teenager, he became fascinated by space.
Oh, well, it's so far away and it's hard to see. That's what I like. It's a bit of a challenge to see what's out there.
He built his first telescope by studying a picture in a catalogue, and he's never looked back.
I've observed a lot of galaxies and nebulas and a few comets. Comets are really awesome.
Jonah's photos are spectacular. Some have been published.
And in that big bright beam we got there, that's interplanetary dust getting lit up by the sun down below the horizon. Yeah, so it's really faint. It's pretty cool to capture that.
Where did you learn all this stuff?
You just read books and stuff.
I was come in one day and I said, Joe, what are you reading? And he shows me the book and it's an encyclopedia.
Well, that's where he was up to on the bookshelf.
And I says, how come you're reading that? And he says, I've finished all the books.
Well, I love things that seem impossible.
But Jonah wanted to get even closer to space, so he sent his cameras into the unknown, attached to a weather balloon.
Oh, well, it was a heap of fun, especially organising it all and calculating all the ascent rates and paths.
When he got the cameras back, Jonah was amazed. Not only could he see space, but also his own home in outback Queensland from space.
So you got Wivenhoe Dam there, and then the coastline there, and then a few islands out to the sea. Looks like about Fraser Island there, I think. This is just the southern part of our Darling Downs. Our house will be just over this way. The photos and that turned out better than I was expecting. And then I keep thinking, I could do even better than that.
So another mission is now being planned, along with other projects.
I'm planning a bigger observatory, and it'll be all computer controlled and that, so that'll be fun.
The sky isn't the limit for Jonah. His journey into space is only beginning. Imagine what he'll discover along the way.